Have you ever wondered how Japanese students can memorize vast amounts of information quickly and effectively? Imagine learning at lightning speed, recalling details effortlessly, and acing every exam. What if you could adopt their memorization techniques? Stay tuned to discover how you can memorize anything quickly like a Japanese student. Memorizing information quickly is a crucial skill, whether you're a student preparing for exams, a professional learning new concepts, or just someone who loves to retain knowledge. In Japan, students are known for their exceptional memorization skills. What's their secret? Today we'll explore effective techniques rooted in Japanese study habits and cognitive science that can help you memorize anything quickly. First up, spaced repetition, one of the most popular and scientifically backed memorization techniques used in Japan. Instead of cramming all at once, spaced repetition involves reviewing material at increasing intervals. This method strengthens neural connections and makes information easier to recall later on. Japanese students often use flashcards, particularly with apps like Anki, to harness this method. Start by reviewing your notes immediately after studying, then review them again after a day, a week, and a month. This creates long-term retention while avoiding burnout. Next, let's talk about visualization and mnemonic devices. Japanese students often use vivid imagery and memorable stories to recall information. By creating strong mental images or connecting new information to something familiar, they make the content more relatable and easier to recall. For example, if you need to memorize the word photosynthesis, you could imagine a plant turning sunlight into food. Associating complex ideas with simple, colorful images helps boost memory retention. Now let's dive into active recall, another key strategy used by Japanese students. Instead of passively rereading textbooks, active recall involves testing yourself on the material without looking at your notes. This forces your brain to work harder, and the effort of retrieving the information strengthens your memory. You can use practice questions, flashcards, or even teach the material to someone else to enhance your recall. The more often you engage in active recall, the stronger your ability to memorize and retain information will become. Another effective technique that Japanese students often employ is the Pomodoro Technique. This method involves studying in short, focused intervals, usually 25 minutes of work followed by a 5-minute break. It boosts productivity and prevents mental fatigue, which is critical when memorizing large amounts of information. Studies have shown that taking breaks during study sessions enhances memory retention. By breaking your study sessions into manageable chunks, you improve focus and make learning less overwhelming. The Japanese approach to studying isn't just about techniques, it's also about creating the right environment and being consistent. Japanese students tend to study in quiet, distraction-free areas where they can maintain focus. Consistency is key, as daily, structured study routines are a major part of their success. Consistency helps build strong study habits over time. Try setting up a study schedule and sticking to it daily. This approach will not only improve your memorization skills, but also help with long-term knowledge retention. You might be surprised to hear that sleep is also a key factor in memorization. Japanese students understand the importance of a good night's sleep for memory consolidation. During sleep, the brain strengthens and organizes the information you've learned throughout the day. Make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. This is when your brain processes all the information you've absorbed during the day, making it easier to recall the next morning. To memorize anything quickly like a Japanese student, try implementing these techniques: spaced repetition, visualization, active recall, the Pomodoro Technique, creating the right study environment, and getting enough sleep. By adopting these strategies, you can not only memorize information faster but also retain it for longer periods. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to a routine, and over time, your ability to memorize will improve dramatically.